Hello friends, students of BSc 2 means semester 2. We are discussing letter writing today. I'm Dr. Satyapal, Associate Professor of English, Government National College, Sirsa. We are first to discuss the basic framework of a letter. First of all, how many parts a letter has. First of all, there is sender's name and address. This sender's name and address usually comes at the top of the page on the left hand side margin, left hand side top, and in official letters or business letters, many offices and business companies, they keep it printed. So sender's name and address. First of all, sender's name and address. I have given one example, for example, Ram Kumar, 14 Model Town, Chandigarh. Because anyone who is to read the letter, he should first of all, he should know who is the writer, who has sent this letter. भेजने वाला कौन है, ये सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए. So sender's name and address first of all. The next part is recipient's name or designation and address. If Ramkumar of 14 Model Town Chandigarh is writing to the editor of the Tribune Chandigarh, then we will say that Ramkumar is sender and receiver is editor the Tribune Chandigarh. तो receiver जो है recipient और receiver जो है वो अगर formal letter है, official letter है, then designation or maybe name plus designation, and in applications etc. We use designation and not the name. So editor, the Tribune, Chandigarh. This is an imaginary letter written by an imaginary sender to editor, Tribune, Chandigarh. These are the first two parts. These days people do not write to. Earlier we used to write to the editor, the Tribune, Chandigarh. Nowadays people address direct principal, government college, so and so, or editor, the Tribune, the Hindustan Times, Chandigarh, Delhi, etc. Next comes date. We have to be very careful for when we write date. The examples displayed on your screen are 3rd of April 2020, which I have crossed because this is not the right way to write a date. Then 3 April, 2020. This is also not the right way. Why? Because in the first case, पहला जो केस था 3/4/2020 या 4/3/2020, ये in different countries we have different formats. अमेरिकन लोग इसका मतलब समझेंगे 3रा महीना 4था दिन 2020. ब्रिटिशर और इंडियन समझेंगे 3रा दिन 4था महीना 2020. So in order to keep at pace with the international standards, we have to make it clear, and clarity is in 3 April 2020. पहले जो 4 डेट्स लिखी गई हैं उनमें क्या मिस्टेक्स हैं, क्या गलतियां हैं, वो मैं पॉइंट आउट करना चाहूंगा. पहला मैंने बताया कि 3-4 means third day of 4th month in India and England, while in America it means 3rd month and 4th day. So that is confusing. Second example, 3 April, comma. There is no need of comma because word April is not going to get mixed up with the digits 2020. Third case, April 3, there is no comma. So this is also wrong because the digit 3 can get mixed up with 2020, or when the year is like that. For example, 3/1991 में होता तो वो मिक्सअप होने के चांसेस वहां पर रहते हैं. सो अप्रैल 3, 2020 full stop. This is also wrong because no full stop is placed at the end of the date. Even in address, जो फुल ब्लॉक स्टाइल है उसमें हम पूरा सारा का सारा लेटर लेफ्ट हैंड एक्सट्रीम पर लिखते हैं और उसमें कोई भी कोमा फुल स्टॉप लाइन के एंड में, एड्रेस ऑफ द सेंडर और एड्रेस ऑफ द रेसिपिएंट के एंड में हम कोई भी कोमा का या फुल स्टॉप का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं. वी डोंट यूज एनी कोमा और फुल स्टॉप एट द एंड ऑफ एनी लाइन इन एड्रेस ऑफ द सेंडर और द रेसिपिएंट. सो राइट वे टू राइट अ डेट इज 3 April 2020, no comma, no full stop. If you are to write April 3, 2020, no full stop, then that is also right, because but you have to put a comma after 3, because the digits, there is no chance of getting mixed up if there is a comma in between them. Next part is subject heading. This is very important. You need to have a subject, clear cut subject, but not ambiguous. ऐसा नहीं हो कि सब्जेक्ट जो आप बता रहे हैं उससे पढ़ने वाले को कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, बात कुछ कहना चाह रहे हो और वो कुछ समझे, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. सो देयर शुड बी ए क्लैरिटी. प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट ओपनिंग ऑफ ए वाइन शॉप इन मॉडल टाउन चंडीगढ़, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. I have taken this one example. So your example, I have taken this this is clear what type of letter this is. This is being written by some individual to the editor of the Tribune and registering protest against opening of a wine shop in model town Chandigarh. So this is the subject. Subject should be clear and